Exco Tooling Solutions. Our capability, your success. Serving the world of aluminum extrusions. North America, South America, Russia, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Exco is North and South America's largest supplier of extrusion dies, with complete design and manufacturing locations in Michigan, USA, Texas, USA, Ontario, Canada, Medellin, Colombia, and Sorocaba, Brazil. Producing 6,000 dies per month, 3.5 inch to 42 inch, 89 millimeter to 1067 millimeter die diameter, for shipment to over 40 countries worldwide. Exco design and production capabilities cover the process end to end. CAD die design with more than 750,000 designs archived. Massive steel inventory of more than 2 million pounds. All CNC die production, design data is downloaded directly to machines. Rough turning on CNC lathes. Full CNC machining of pockets, bearings, and die details. In-house heat treating, 25 furnaces, plus 6 nitride furnaces. More than 60 wire EDM and RAM-type EDM. CNC finish machining, more than 60 CNC mills. And polishing every detail to make the best dies possible. The quality of Exco dies is the result of years of developing best practices. Each Exco plant follows the same carefully planned process. As orders come from the customer, the order processing department enters and verifies all pricing. Next, the die design process begins. Thanks to the die library and skilled engineers, designs are promptly completed and inspected for manufacturability. In some cases, a design is sent to the customer for approval. The next step is to use the design data to create accurate CNC processes for each machine in the plant. The processes are simulated and proved out before downloading to the machine tools. Metal cutting then begins a process that can produce a finished die in just a few days. First, the saw department cuts the blank according to careful calculations. In the CNC lathe department, the raw steel is shaped to dimensions that allow for heat treat growth. Next, in the CNC milling department, pockets, bearings, port openings, and more details are machined, followed by inspection. At the next stage, electrical discharge machines burn feeds into some of the more complex hollows, which cannot be reached by the machining centers. Following another in-process inspection, the customer's tool is delivered to the heat treat department. The complete heat treat process takes 24 to 48 hours, depending on the size of the tooling. All heat-treated material is Rockwell hardness tested before moving to the grinding department. Blanchard grinders eliminate the extra stock left on the tooling and true up the tooling after heat treat. At this point, dies and die plates are taken to wire EDM machines, where the outside perimeter of the shape to be extruded is eroded out of the steel. The mandrels are taken to sinker EDM or to machining centers to size the ID of the aperture to the customer's specifications. Following wire and sinker EDM, the tooling is checked once more and sent to the finish and final inspection department, where it is properly assembled and finished. Prompt shipping of quality dies. Exco, aluminum extrusion tooling. Experience, commitment. Find us on the web at etsdies.com.